Why do you come to work every day? Sure, the paycheck, the benefits, the health insurance. You've got bills to pay, a family to support, maybe even to put a down payment on that boat. And yeah, you want to grow, learn, build something worthwhile. But you can do that at a lot of places. So why do you come to work here? We believe the answer isn't about you. It's about all of us, together. A family of 1,100 people working to be better. People who work hard, but together work harder. Maybe because we feel compelled to pick each other up, but mostly because we don't want to let each other down. Whose standards are higher, not because they have to be, but because we demand it of ourselves. Who hold each other accountable to getting the job done 100% right, not 99. Who ask about our kids' ball games, celebrate weddings and births, and make each other laugh. Because for over a century, this is a place that doesn't just build, repair, and deliver equipment. We help build people too. And when you put all of us, all of our talent, and all of our heart together, this is not just another place to work. This is a place that works for you. Because we're all built to be better.